Nitro PDF Pro is a widely used PDF file viewer. It boasts many interesting and useful features. One of them is the ability to print a 2-page PDF file on a single sheet of paper. It's very easy. Watch this tutorial to learn how. Before that, subscribe to this channel to receive notifications of new videos from us. Also, click the like button if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you. First, open the PDF file using Nitro PDF Pro, then go to the print view. Scroll through the settings on the left side until you find page scaling. Click page scaling and select multiple pages. The settings will appear below. Set the pages per sheet to 2 by 1, and the print preview will automatically change. To change the view from portrait to landscape, go to Print Properties. I'm using a Canon printer, so the print properties will adjust depending on the printer brand. In the Canon printer's print properties, you can change the orientation in the Quick Setup section, then select Landscape at the bottom. Then, click OK to save the settings, and the print preview will change to Landscape. Then, click Print to proceed to printing, and you can immediately see the results. So, it was easy, wasn't it? Hopefully, this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.